So here we will learn how to factorize polynomials. We have x square plus 5x plus 6. So first to understand the coefficients. Here the coefficient of x square is 1. When we write x square, it has coefficient 1. So a coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of x is 5, and this coefficient of x square we considered it as a. Coefficient of x here 5 is b, and c here is 6. So these are the three terms in this polynomial. Now we have to write this polynomial in terms of two factors. That is why we call it factorization. For this, first we multiply a and c. So a times c will be 6. Now we have to write this b in the form of two terms such that when we add those two terms, then it is equal to b, and when we multiply these two terms, it is equal to ac. Or you can say we have to break down 6 in two terms such that when we add these two terms, then that is equal to b. Why add? Because we have here addition. Now if you write 6 in terms of two factors, it is 2 times 3, and when you add 2 plus 3, it is equal to 5. So 2 times 3 is equal to AC here, 6, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So we can write x square plus 5x plus 6 as x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. We are adding because here we have addition. Now x square means it is x times x, plus 2x is 2 times x, plus 3x is 3 times x, plus 6 you can write 2 times 3. We are writing like this so we can understand how to take common. Now in these two terms, x is common, so we write x outside the parenthesis and then take x times x divided by x will be x, then plus 2 times x divided by x will be 2. So write 2 here, then write plus. Now in these two terms, you see 3 is common. So write 3 here, and then 3 times x divided by 3 is equal to x, plus 2 times 3 divided by 3 will be 2. Now x plus 2 is the common factor. So you write the common factor first. So x plus 2, then write the remaining ones, x plus 3. So x plus 2 times x plus 3. These are the two factors for this equation. Now let's take another example. 5x square plus 7x minus 6. So here AC will be, the coefficient of x square is 5. So 5, here A is 5, then times C is 6, or you can say minus 6. So we have minus 30. B here is 7. Now you have to write minus 30 in terms of two numbers such that when we subtract these two numbers, then it is equal to 7. Why subtract? Because here we have subtraction. So minus 30, if you factorize, you can write it minus 6 times 5, or 5 times minus 6, 10 times minus 3, or minus 10 times 3. Minus 6 plus minus 5 will not be equal to 7. So these two factors we cannot take. 10 times minus 3 is equal to minus 30. And if we subtract 10, we write 10 minus 3, then it is equal to 7. If you do minus 10, minus 3, minus 10 plus 3, it is equal to minus 7. But here 7 is positive. So 10 minus 3 we can write. Another way to understand it, that we have to write 7 in terms of two factors m and n, such that m times n is equal to AC, and when we add or subtract, it should be equal to b, this 7. So 7 we can write as 4 plus 3, but 4 times 3 is 12. We have to get 30. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, and 10 times minus 3 is equal to minus 30. That means the two numbers are 10 and minus 3. So this is called hit and trial method. Now 5x square means it is 5 times x square plus 10x minus 3x minus 6, or here we take 5x is common, x plus 2, then minus 3 x plus 2. X plus 2 is the common factor, and 5x minus 3. So these are the two factors. Can you factorize this? 2x square plus 10x plus 12. Again multiply these two. 12 times 2 is 24. Now we have to break down 24 in two terms such that m plus n is equal to 10 and m times n is equal to 24. We are adding because we have addition here. Now 24, two factors whose sum should be equal to 10. 6 times 4 is 24 and 6 plus 4 is 10. So we can write it as 2x square plus 6x plus 4x plus 12. Now you can take 2x common, x plus 3 plus 4 and x plus 3. 12 is 4 times 3. Now x plus 3 is the common factor, so write x plus 3 and then times 2x plus 4. When you will break down these two factors, you will get this equation. How? This x will multiply to 2x and 4, so 2x square plus 4x, and then 3 multiplied to 2x plus 4 plus 6x plus 12, so 2x square plus 10x plus 12. So the two factors here are x plus 3 and 2x plus 4. Now what if in this polynomial instead of here plus we have minus? What will be the two factors here? Then the entire factors will change. How? Now here 12 is minus 12. So minus 12 times 2 is equal to minus 24. Now you have to write minus 24 in such terms such that when we subtract these two terms, it is equal to 10x. Now factorize 24. 2 times 12 is 24. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 8 minus 3 will be 5. So this is not possible. 4 times 6 is 24. But 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Or now 12 times 2 is 24. And we subtract 12 minus 2. Then it is equal to 10. So instead of writing 10 as 6 plus 4, we have to write 10 as 2x square plus 12x minus 2x minus 12. So this minus sign change this number. Now take here 2x common. So x plus 6, then minus 2, x plus 6. So x plus 6 is common factor, then 2x minus 2. So you see how the sign has changed the factors here. So always keep in mind this sign and then choose the numbers accordingly. Another example, 2x square plus 7x plus 6. Multiply the two numbers here, coefficient of x square and c, 8 times c, it is 6 times 2 is 12. Now either you can take this number and break down this number in two numbers such that their product is equal to 12 and their sum is equal to this b or 7. Or what we can do, consider this product 12 and break down it in two numbers such that its sum is 7. So you can focus on any of these two numbers to factorize it. If you are finding it difficult to break down 7, then focus on this C, 6, times 2, 12, or you can focus on this 7. Now 7 you can write it as 5 plus 2 or 5x plus 2x or 6 plus 1. So there are various combinations for writing 7, but 5 times 2 will be 10, 6 times 1 is 6. So when we go for different combination, there is 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7, and 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So 4 and 3 are two numbers. So finding different combinations here can be time taking. So what we do, we focus on this number 12 and write 12 in terms of two numbers whose sum is equal to 7. So we factorize 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. Now factors of 12 are 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Now 4 times 3 is 12 and 4 plus 3 is 7. So if you will focus on this term AC, it will be much easier. So 2x square plus 7x, we can write it as 4x plus 3x, plus because we have addition here, then plus 6. Now it is 2 times x square plus 4x, we can write 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 6 as 2 times 3. So 2x you can take here common and write x plus 2, plus here 3 as common and write x plus 2. Now x plus 2 is the common factor here, so x plus 2 then times 2x plus 3. I hope it was fun. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.